So, speaking clearly is another crucial part of public speaking. Your audience needs to understand you to be engaged, so focus on enunciating every syllable. Now, while it is important to enunciate, you don't want to sound like Siri either. Directions to Chipotle. Yeah, that's pretty good, right? Now, for example, most don't naturally say exciting. We say exciting. You want to speak clearly in a conversational manner. Remember, the key is to connect with your audience. Okay, so for this exercise, you might look a bit silly, but it's awesome to put a pencil or pen in your mouth, make sure it's clean, and start speaking. You'll have to move your mouth muscles a lot more. So when you get back to speaking without the pencil or pen, you'll naturally want to enunciate everything. Works pretty well. I do it too.